Hello, so today I am going to show you how to set up your equipment and start your shooting. So first of all, you will have the tripod with a small cover provided with it. So here, you will need to undo the small flaps. Like this, once your tripod is set on the ground, you can completely unscrew this part and this one to lower or raise it if you ever want to take your photo at different heights. With your tripod, you also have the small cover and an Allen key. So this will be useful if over time, with the use of your tripod, the legs become a little loose, like this. You just need to take your Allen key, insert it into the small screw thread and tighten it. This will allow you to be more stable. Then if you want to create panoramas, you will need the motor. You will be able to place it like this and close the small flaps. Once you turn it on and go into the app, it will connect automatically. You will then need to place the nodal arm to be able to position your phone like this above the motor. There you go, like this. Then you have the lenses like this. So this one is for photos. And that one, as you can see on the side, is slightly curved. This will be for panoramas. Be careful to differentiate them. It is also noted on the side here, 360, so you can tell them apart. Be careful during shooting, always make sure to clean them well. There will be a small cloth provided with the lenses, so don't hesitate to clean them well before each shoot. Then the case, which looks like this, with the small screw thread to attach your lenses. I'll show you that right after. You then need to place it, contact the nodal arm, like this. You spread the small jaws apart. There you go. If you want to take a panorama, make sure your camera, like this, is aligned with the tripod axis. So here you have small numbers and you can turn to move your phone. Here, the camera aligned with the tripod axis for panoramas. For photos, it's a bit different. Here, it's always recommended to set them in landscape mode. In this case, you can turn your phone like this. There you go. And tighten the small knob like that. After placing your case, you need to attach one of the lenses. Here, you just need to screw the lens into the small thread of the case, like this. Make sure to turn it all the way to prevent it from loosening during your shoot, and then everything is good, you can shoot. So be careful. For certain phones like the iPhone 13 and above, and the S20, and all subsequent models, there's no need for the case or lenses. You have direct access to the wide angle, so just the tripod, the motor, and the nodal arm are needed. So there you have it. That was all for the equipment. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you encounter any issues with the equipment, don't hesitate to contact us at bbkreview.com, and have a great day.